The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Using a T20 Torx head, remove the screws. Remove the panel to have access to the air filter housing. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1225 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.